Our hospital has been designated as a proper COVID hospital all over Mumbai, and it has two wards. It has a positive ward and a suspect ward. So my duty was in the suspect ward.
थोड़ा डर लगता है कि मेरी वजह से कहीं मेरे फैमिली को कहीं कोरोना हो जाए, थोड़ा सा डर लगता है। जब घर में आता हूँ तो प्रेग्नेंट बीवी को जब देखता हूँ 8 महीने का पेट लेके, मैं उसके साथ नहीं रह पाता हूँ।
The problem what the health professional workers are facing is once you wear this kit, you're not supposed to go for a washroom, you're not supposed to drink anything, you're not supposed to eat anything.
We have been allotted COVID duties for 6 hours, and the next duty it comes after 12 hours. So my last duty was from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. and I am just 2 hours away from my next COVID duty, which starts today at 6 p.m. So last night we had around like 4 new admissions on top of 38 odd patients which were already admitted, and 14 of them were positive.
Daily I see around 60 to 70 tuberculosis patients, and I really don't know that how many of them are having the infection corona simultaneously with the tuberculosis. The symptoms of tuberculosis and corona are so much similar that it is very difficult to differentiate only on clinical grounds that how many patients of tuberculosis are having or not having corona infection. Looking towards the condition, at least in the Mumbai, it should be considered that each and every febrile patient should be screened for the possibility of the being infected with the corona.
Being a health professional worker, we are treating all the routine patients who are coming to the OPDs, all the suspected COVID patients, as well as the COVID positive patients who are there in the hospital. And I must say, if you see the Mumbai scenario, there's a lot of inflow of the patients who are coming to the hospital, and the number of people who are getting tested positive. So to prevent the exposure, so what the government has done is they had done a rotation shift for the doctors as well as the nursing staffs as well as the servants who are working in this scenario. So we got a 3-hour shift. We got a morning hour shift, we got an afternoon hour shifts, and we got a evening and the night hour shifts. So we are working in that shift so that the amount of the exposure the health professional worker has is less.
The PPE kit which have been provided to us are the quality is 90 GSM at the sleeves and 50 GSM at the front. So the PPE kit is actually very, very heavy, and once you go inside it and inside the wards, it is the environment there is so hot. You try to you drench and you sweat so much that it becomes really, really difficult to move around.
It's a 6 to 8 hours duty what the doctors has as well as nurses. So once you wear this kit, even if you want to go for a washroom or you want to drink anything, you need to remove the whole kit and dispose it off, and then have something, and then you need to wear a new kit. So in this scenario, what will happen is, first of all, the professional doctors will go outside, so there's a chances of spreading of the infection to the others. Second thing is, these kits are expensive. They cost around 1,500 to 2,000 bucks, and you know that there's a shortage of supply of the personal protective kits. So we need to save as much as kits as possible.
मैं मुंबई में गवर्नमेंट अस्पताल में काम करके मेरी जिम्मेदारी निभा रहा हूँ। मेरे बड़े भाई पुणे में गवर्नमेंट डॉक्टर है, वो पुणे में लोगों को ट्रीटमेंट दे रहे हैं, वो उनकी जिम्मेदारी निभा रहे हैं। मेरी बड़ी बहन नांदेड़ में गवर्नमेंट डॉक्टर है, वो वहाँ पे पेशेंट का ट्रीटमेंट कर रही है, इलाज कर रही है। पिछले हफ्ते मेरे साथ काम करने वाला डॉक्टर, उसमें कोरोना के लक्षण पाए गए और उसका जब जांच आई पॉजिटिव, वो आज एडमिट है उसी कोरोना वार्ड में, जहां पे बाकी के पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट दी जाती है। मेरे साथ वाले डॉक्टर का रिपोर्ट पॉजिटिव आने के बाद मेरी भी जांच करवाई गई, मुझे भी क्वारंटाइन में रखा गया था। ऊपर वाले की दुआ से मेरा रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव आया।
My mom keeps on keeping a trace of whether I've eaten the food or whether I've taken a bath or whether I had proper shower or I had time to just rinse my clothes, clean my clothes, put them in boiling water, or whether I disinfected everything, or whether I used proper protocols on during the donning and the doffing of the PPE kits. So the family is really stressed about it.
If you see my family, obviously they have a lot of fear and anxiety, especially my mother, and I think I've been doctor from the last so many years, and I think this for the first time she told me that if you can skip a day, you skip it. I think she had never told me before. Obviously, it's because of a fear that I go and see the patients of all the COVID-19 and suspected COVID-19. I go to the hospital, I see the patients, everything. So she feels that I may have contracted COVID, but it's my duty. I tell her that, see, this is a doctor, this is my job, and I had chosen this job.
लानत है हमारे उन देशवासियों पे जो ऐसे काम करने वाले डॉक्टरों पे, नर्सों पे, नर्सेस पे हमला करते हैं। घिन आनी चाहिए हमें, जो खुद अपनी जान की परवाह किए बिना दूसरों का जान बचाने के लिए इतना कोशिश करते हैं। आप उन्हीं पे हाथ उठाते हैं? आप कभी एक बार खुद को इन डॉक्टर, नर्सेस, कर्मचारियों के जगह पे बैठ के देखो एक बार। मैं ये नहीं कहता हूं कि डॉक्टर्स लोग भगवान होते हैं, मेरा सिर्फ इतना कहना है कि डॉक्टर भी एक इंसान होता है, उसके भी जज्बात होते हैं।
We are also scared about the fact that since we have put on duty for 1 week and we have been quarantined for the rest 1 week, but the ideal protocol says that we need to be quarantined for at least 14 days. But all of us are only being quarantined for 1 week at a nearby hotel, and then probably we'll be put on duty the next week. So it's really taxing.
जब भी मैं डिप्रेस फील होता हूँ, मेरे साथ काम करने वाले सामने आते, वो मुझे हौसला देते। अगर वो डिप्रेशन फील करते थे, मैं उनको हौसला देता हूँ। ये एक टीम वर्क है, हम टीम की तरह काम करते हैं, पूरे टीम ही फैमिली है।
So what really keeps us motivated is that last night me and my colleague, we decided to do a food shake just before our duty, just to lift the morals up. And also during the duty, when a patient goes on fine, when a patient becomes COVID negative and goes on fine, that is what really lifts our spirits up, and it always motivates us to do better work and to serve the patients and to serve the nation when it's needed the most.